Have you ever wondered how to make your money work for you? It's not just about earning, but making those earned dollars multiply themselves. Picture this, a life where your income doesn't solely depend on the hours you clock in at work, but also from the money you've already earned. Sounds intriguing, right? It's about time we step into the realm of financial freedom, where your money does the heavy lifting. In this video, we'll break down the process into simple, easy-to-understand steps. First, understand the concept of passive income. Now, what is passive income? It's simply money you earn with little to no daily effort. This is fundamentally different from active income, which is money earned in exchange for your time and labor. The beauty of passive income is that it allows you to make money while you sleep, eat, or even while you're on a beach vacation. This is the essence of making your money work for you. Now let's take a look at a few examples. Rental income from property you own but don't live in is a classic example of passive income. Dividends from investments are another. These are payments received from companies you've invested in, simply for being a shareholder. Then, there's income from a side business that doesn't require your constant attention. These are just a few ways to generate money without clocking in and out. Generating passive income is the first step to making your money work for you. Next, it's crucial to invest wisely. Investing isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about growing your wealth over time. And there are numerous avenues for investment, each with its own potential rewards and risks. Consider the stock market. Stocks can offer impressive returns, but they also come with a higher risk than other investment types. Bonds, on the other hand, are generally seen as safer, but they usually provide lower returns. Real estate is another viable option. It's tangible, often appreciates in value, and can generate a steady income through rentals. But remember, putting all your eggs in one basket is risky. That's where diversification comes in. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you reduce the risk of a single investment dragging down your entire portfolio. Risk management is also key. Always consider your financial goals, your tolerance for risk, and the time you have to reach your goals before investing. By investing wisely, your money can grow exponentially over time. Finally, remember that consistency and patience are key. The power of regular investments, no matter how small, should not be underestimated. The magic of compound interest, where you earn interest on your interest, can significantly boost your wealth over time. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing bigger and faster with each passing second. But it's essential to be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your wealth be. With consistency and patience, your money will work harder for you than you could ever work for it. Now that you know how to make your money work for you, it's time to step up. Begin by pinpointing potential sources of passive income or exploring investment opportunities. Start today and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Make your money work for you, not the other way around.